Oh yeah, she's up. Or he's
Ooh,
up.
I get to name him, please.
Hang on.
Man,
Alright, you can name him, I
you
guess.
got any metal up in her?
171.
Structure. Give me a few of
Get that
these.
boy out of there, Adam.
I think he actually is stuck. Nope, we're good.
Damn it, I'm trying to repair my thing. You just used all the metal. Asshole.
Here, Adam, bring him over here. I'll break the rock.
Well, no, I'm free. I'm going over here. Oh, he's a killer, all right, Seth. Oh, that was a 96 wolf, Seth. They stand no chance.
I hope you already do
Yeah.
20 and it just
Are you naming it right now, or do you want to just go back home and then name it?
Hold up. What are you upgrading?
On this bird, the bird right now. Wait.
You gotta do this.
Oh, Seth, I would like to see these things try, man. Oh yeah, come on. Where are you going, Wolf?
Now.
Just us, it looks like. And that one Paladin King guy.
We need to get some more people on.
What level
Get
is this?
Baron.
What?
We need some more people on.
What level is it? Do you want
Yeah,
it?
I mean, we will. I mean, but today is a Thursday at 10 o'clock at night.
It's only level 12.
I almost didn't get on today.
You bit its wing and then try to fly away. Oh, what's it eating me? Oh, it's a wolf. What's the saber, Adam?
Oh, Seth, look at these guys. Oh, look, bring it on, wolves, huh? I'm tired of you guys messing with me. Oh, bring your saber-tooth friends, too.
I hope a wolf does.
What's it tell that?
I'm pumping points into his health right now. I want him to be pretty tanky.
Whoa! Watch out!
They're terrible for turning.
Well, that's why the dinosaurs went extinct.
Turning radius is what murdered dinosaurs.
Terrible, terrible turning radius.
How do I look in the inventory this time?
Of the bird,
Yeah.
press X.
Alright, Dieter, I just made like a crap ton of gunpowder.
Still won't wait.
Seth, man, we're taking this big boy home. Man.
I put some points in these.
You're telling me that thing right... You're telling me our bird can't keep up with this Rex?
What? No. I'm just saying like that. I need fast birds, you know?
True, true. I'll give you it.
And the weight isn't really like, it's like 2,000.
Oh, our weight's at 2,000 on the bird. I just have the weight like that so I can do big trips. Then again, if we get a Quetzal soon, big trips don't really matter.
Let's think of names, Adam. Let's think of names.
It's the Hawkbuster, remember?
I don't know.
Well,
Doomsday.
I'll go with Doomsday. Oh, Seth, look at these wolves try. Look at them. Puny wolves. You'll get nowhere with your attacks.
Alright, Dieter, I just made.
And they're biting through legs.
I know I can't walk.
What do you need the pillars for?
What's his health at?
Man, well, he's stuck right now. I'm getting wrecked. Seth, don't get me stuck. Please don't get me stuck.
I hit him off you.
Thank you.
Please get the fuck out of here. Please don't kill everything.
I gotta change my Xbox batteries. 1 second.
I'm stuck on something.
Is his health okay?
Not really. I need to get him somewhere safe for a second to feed him. Turning radius is this guy's enemy.
Just don't run into it. Slow him down here.
I'm just like feeding him meat really rapidly so he can get his health back pretty fast. I think once he's back at 5,000, we'll be fine to go on the run again.
You're feeding him right now?
Yeah.
It looks like he's just trying to eat that rock.
Well, you know, sometimes they gotta eat rocks to get there.
Have you seen Owen's base?
No, but I mean, I'm guessing whatever you guys did to it, it was bad enough that he wanted to become a peaceful player. Seth, am I heading the right way right now?
Yeah.
What the heck? He just fell and lost 900 health from that? That's some baloney stuff.
Yeah, they're building quite like a little village over here.
4,500. I should be fine with
They're
that.
like the new Lords of Fury.
Do the Lords of Fury even
Hey,
play
you're going
anymore?
the right way?
I haven't seen them in a little while. People like that, if they start going like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks of no activity, that's when it's because I still, Adam, and I want you to do it too, I still watch the art trends, and anytime someone says that they need a server, I comment about ours.
How's he doing, madam? How's he doing?
I should check to see if anyone has messaged.
Health-wise, he has
Xbox.
4,000.
I think he can handle wolves right now, Adam.
Well, I mean, the problem is we're surrounded by trees, so he's getting stuck, and then they're just hitting me rapidly.
Adam,
What?
still comment about our server on the Arc.
On the what?
On like the Arc Facebook pages.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, comment about the server to get the name out. Yeah, Alex, I'll do that.
We're just focusing. We're trying to get this T-Rex back without having it die.
Would it help if my bird came in and did a few flybys doing its 600 melee damage?
Seth, I think we've hit a problem.
Peter, I really want to go.
Do you see that little? Do you want to see that peninsula I want to have them set on over there with that blue beacon? Seems to be a lot of challengers over there.
Just checking up on bees real quick.
Came in from a swipe, Adam.
Thanks, man. Hang on. I'm gonna eat a little bit of meat, and then I'm gonna send them out there to fight those guys off.
They bit me.
Yeah, be careful.
Like what you see.
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah, look at this stuff.
The auto turret. I'd like to get some auto turrets on the inside.
And he has like no meat on him because like I have to feed him all this meat.
This one.
Now look.
this bird has a bunch of meat. Adam, they're all
Next
coming,
is
man.
the fourth one, sir.
All right, Seth. I didn't want to test it yet. Ah, get out of here, wolves! This is not going well. Seth, I need help. Oh my God, Seth.
Come on, man. Is he okay?
Oh yeah.
No, what's this area?
Keep pushing up for the top of this hill. We need the top of this hill. You need to die over here.
Where is a dinosaur pen gonna go with the bird?
We'll get there.
You wanna go see if we can find these guys on their T-Rex?
Oh, we made it home to our
If you don't wanna
base.
go
Bring
get her,
my
I'm
bird back.
Oh man, dude, Seth, that was dangerous, but he made it. Oh, what a good guy.
If we start building, if we build over here, will those things still spawn over here?
No, that's how we're gonna build walls over here. We've killed enough to where he should be fine. We just need to pick a name for him. He is gorgeous. I'm in love with him.
These two are gonna be best friends, man.
Ah, heck yeah, they are. They're our battle warriors. Doomsday and Hawkbuster. I'll name the bird Hawkbuster. We can name the Rex Doomsday.
All right, I got the name for the Rex.
Alright, I'll change the teardowns names to Doomsday right now. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. It means a lot to me, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This has been us getting our newly tamed Rex up here so we can finally stop the mass production of wolves. Doomsday is here to stop the wolves. That's all I'm saying. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.